Hello, everyone. I am the recipient of the Output Frontier Studio monitors, and I'm going to do an unboxing so everyone can see them. Yay, finally. All right. Ooh, there's a much prettier box inside this box. Let's look at this. All right. Powered by Barefoot, who helped design these monitors, the internals of them. The outside exterior is made by Output themselves, who make awesome furniture and monitor stands and all sorts of things now. But let's go ahead and open it. Kind of cool little rope thing on here. My assumption is I should probably lay these down. Wow, kind of cool. Let's save the earth together. Huh, interesting. Even the foam is eco-friendly. Here is the, well, the wrong side apparently. But here is the IEC power cables. And here is this box. Has the power cables and everything. Fill out and safety instructions, clean and care instructions, and there's a guide that you can get to. Cool bag on these. The drawstring. Huh. Use the included pads to prevent scratching. Huh. Look at that. Yeah. So here it is. This is the handmade walnut stands that are in there. Apparently they do isolation and everything. And as you can see, it's got the dial. Ooh, it's notched too. I like that a lot. That's really nice. Then it's got the Neutrik connector, so it can accept a 1/4 inch or XLR, and an RCA connector. Power supply eco mode, so that way you're not using a whole lot of energy when you're using them, or not using them rather. So that's got a toggle switch right there. Really pretty. And then the speaker is this is the ported aspect, but this is a concentric design, so the tweeter and the bass are all coming at you at the same time, which I really like. That's the output bar there. And I will turn them on and try them out later as I get going. So thank you very much for stopping by. So here I am in my music studio. I'm still waiting for the Mac Mini M1 to arrive to me. It's back ordered. But anyway, I've got the outputs right there. And I kind of wanted to show you guys the light on these because they're kind of cool. Here we go. Kind of a cool light effect to tell you it's on. But there you are.